Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and I'm about to apply my favorite lipstick. This is the Tarte liquid lipstick. It is super worn out because I take it with me everywhere and I wear it all the time, and it's lasted me so long, but it still looks great. So let me just show you the color. Here is kind of a look at the consistency of it. It's kind of like watery because it is a matte finish. The consistency makes it so easy to just glide right on. It's so smooth and you don't need that much to cover your whole lips. It's also really easy to line your lips with it. You also don't need to use a lot, which is really why it lasts such a long time. So if you're in the market for the perfect matte lipstick that is going to last you all day, even if you're eating, I highly recommend this one from Tarte, and that's my point of view.